Goodbye, old friend. You've served me well. Oh boy, now that was heavy. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm very excited because my brand new gaming chairs have arrived, and thing is I've been using my old gaming chair for quite some time and I wanted to change it because I wanted to go with something more premium that offered you like a luxury feel and maximum comfort while sitting. That was like my main priority. And there you go guys, my new chairs have arrived. And let me tell you, these are not your ordinary gaming chairs. They're a premium category gaming chairs from Aerocool. And just look at the name itself. The name itself is special. It's called the Crown Gaming Chair and is made by Aerocool. See, most of the gaming chairs out there that I've used in the past have like a resin-like material, right? But on this particular model now, the entire cushioning, the seat is completely covered in a premium suede-like material, and that will offer you like a soft and luxurious feel when you sit on it. And by the way, if you're wondering like why do I have two boxes over here? Well, one is for me and the other one is for my dad. So without wasting any more time guys, let's quickly get started with the unboxing, and I'm like pretty excited to show you these chairs in this video. Alright guys, here's our brand new gaming chair called the Crown and comes in this sort of box packaging. It's a huge box and there was no way I could do the unboxing alone. So I called in my dad as well for help, and we both will be unboxing these brand new chairs in this video. Both the chairs are the same model but the color is different. One is burgundy red and the other one is stone grey edition. There is nothing much written on the box, just the Aerocool branding and a picture of the product. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing and then check out the chair. And to be frank guys, my dad was more excited than me for this video. Anyways, as soon as we open it, you've got lots of different parts neatly organized and you'll need to assemble the chair yourself at home. There's an accessory box over here. We'll come back to that in a moment. And just like all the other chairs, you do get a headrest pillow and a lumbar support cushion as well. A height and tilt control mechanism, some screws to help you with the assembling part, and here are the main parts of the chair, starting off with the base. Oh boy, look at that color. This is a main seat guys. The lower half section of the chair comes in this beautiful two-tone color finish and looks quite appealing. And here's the backrest, the upper half of the chair. Initially, I was a bit skeptical about the color by looking at the pictures, but damn son, in person the color looks killer. Very different look and feel guys, nothing like the other chairs we've covered on the channel. And lastly, in the package you get a user manual and a guide on how to assemble it and a 5-legged wheelbase. And wait a second, I forgot to show you what you got in the accessory box. You get this tilt and height adjustment mechanism, 5 wheels for the chair, high quality nylon caster wheels with a carbon fiber like finish on them, 2 side covers for the chair, and a class 4 high quality gas lift with a cover for that as well. So that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now since both the chairs are same model, I won't be showing you the unboxing of that, we'll check it out directly at the end. In the meantime, let's get started with the assembling. Assembling this chair is a piece of cake guys. I think I've assembled almost a dozen chairs on our channel and I'll show you how to do it step by step in this video. So make sure to watch it till the end and don't miss out any part. The first step you'll need to do is fix these 5 wheels on the wheelbase. They've got a simple push to fix mechanism. Just take these wheels and push them in the appropriate holes and that's it. We're done with the step 1. Step 2 is to place the class 4 gas lift at the center of the wheelbase, just like this, and cover it up with the provided shroud. Next, we need to fix this tilt and height adjustment mechanism onto the lower half of the chair. You need to align it properly, check for the front and back indications, and then start fixing the screws. And not to worry, you get all the screws and the required tools as well in the package itself. Use this L-shaped Allen key to properly tighten all of them. And the good part is, on this particular model, the handles came pre-fitted, so that'll save you a lot of time. Now that we are done fixing the mechanism, you'll need to place this chair on the gas lift and push it firmly to lock it over there. And there you go guys, we're almost 50% done with the process. All that is left is to fix the backrest and attach the accessories. Now place the backrest like this, align the holes and start fixing the screws. You've got 2 screws on the left and 2 screws on the right. Lastly, just place these protective covers to hide the mechanism and fix them up with the provided screws, and that's it guys, we're finally done with the assembling part. All that is left is to place the headrest pillow and the lumbar support cushion on the chair. And there you go, here's how our brand new Crown gaming chair from Aerocool looks like. Holy smokes, that looks awesome, right? The texture and the look and feel of Aerosuede material is quite premium. Gives you that luxury kind of feel. Whoa, ho, ho, our gaming chairs are finally assembled, guys, and here's our first look at the chair in both these different colors. And let me tell you, it roughly took me around like 20 minutes for each of them. So what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the chair, I'll show you how the design is, the color combination, the stitching quality, and we'll basically talk about all of its main features. Aerocool's Crown gaming chair is actually available in three different variants: Aero Weave, Aero Suede, and Leatherette. We have the Aero Suede variant. And if you guys don't know what Aero Suede is, let me tell you. Suede is a very tough and durable material made with a combination of non-woven fabric and microfiber like material that gives you a very soft and smooth feeling texture, and it's also quite long lasting and also easy to clean. Talking about the design, the Crown has a similar race car's bucket seat design with an ergonomic shape, and specially love the two-tone color combination the brand is offering. The burgundy red has a natural coffee bean like texture with white accents, while the stone grey has black borders all around it. You've got the Aerocool branding on both the front and the back side, and if you ask about the build quality is top notch. We've got a steel frame on the inside on both the chair as well as the wheelbase. High density foam is used for the cushioning, covered in a special Aerosuede material. Class 4 gas lift that is BIFMA tested and has a max weight capacity of up to 150 kgs. As you can see, the stitching quality is also excellent, precise, uniform, and no loose ends anywhere. I also like the level of attention the brand has given for detailing, like offering you spongy cushions on the armrest also, and carbon fiber like finishing on the side covers and even on the caster wheels. Okay, now let's talk about the main parts, the comfort and the feel of this chair. So as I mentioned before, guys, it's got like an ergonomic design, and the main part is the feel, guys, because the whole material used on this chair is different, right? It's got Aerosuede material and the feel is very different. It feels quite premium and actually soft and smooth surface, just like velvet, guys, that is what I can say. And in terms of comfort is also very good, feels very soft and spongy because the whole chair has like a high density foam used, right? And you can see that the lower seat cushioning is quite thick compared to the regular chairs, and because of this it feels quite comfort and very spongy and soft. And even the backrest is also nice, guys, gives a good support to your back. And on top of that, you also get like an adjustable headrest and also like a adjustable backrest, right? This lumbar support cushion. So overall, very good comfort for the price point. Now, one more thing I do have to mention is about the armrest, guys. Usually, most of these other gaming chairs now, they come with like a plastic armrest, plastic handles. But on this one now, you're getting like a thick cushioning covered in Aerosuede material. And when you place your hands on it now, they feel very soft, and the whole feel is only different. So it gives you that premium and luxury kind of feel. So that is one plus point on this chair. Now, if you ask about the adjustability parts, well, just like most of the other gaming chairs, you've got plenty of adjustability options. First thing is you can easily adjust the height on this gaming chair. You've got a lever on the bottom over here, guys. You just need to, lift it, and there you go. You can easily adjust the height like this. It's got class 4 gas lift and supports a maximum capacity of up to 150 kgs, but recommended weight is around like 120 to 125 kgs. And along with that, you can even adjust the tilt angle of the chair. There's a lever to the right side which you need to pull, and you can go almost up to this angle, guys. So whenever you're doing like long sessions of gaming, or maybe you're working for longer periods of time and you want to take like a small break or a small nap, now you don't even need to get out of the chair. You can simply adjust the angle like this and take a nap here only. Feels very nice and comfortable. I think I'll sleep here only if I stay any longer. Anyway, so that was about the tilt angle adjustment, and along with that, you do have like a rocking mechanism built into it. There's a knob on the bottom side, you need to loosen it up, and it supports like rocking mechanism up to like 18 degrees angle, guys. So that option is also there. And lastly, coming to the armrests, even these armrests are adjustable. They're 2D armrests, that means you can adjust them in two different directions. One is you can easily swivel them like this, and second is you can adjust the height by pulling the lever to the side, just like this. So these are all the adjustability options available on the chair. Now, one question you might actually get is about the maintenance and cleaning thing. Because unlike all the other gaming chairs, these actually have like a different kind of fabric material, right? Suede material. So what happens if something falls on it, or maybe you get some stains anywhere? How should you clean it? So I've actually looked up their website, and the brand is saying that you can use dry cleaning detergent to actually clean those sort of stains. But you have to use in like very limited quantity, guys. Maybe use like a spray bottle and slightly, spray that dry cleaning detergent on the stain and use like a soft cloth to wipe it off. And that is how you can actually clean this chair. And one more thing I forgot to mention is I've used a lot of chairs in the past, right? And most of them used to have this squeaky sound issue, guys. That means after using the chair for quite some time now, whenever you sit on it or you get up out of it or you try to move on the chair, they used to make these squeaky sounds, and that could be quite annoying. But that is not there on this chair, guys. And as you can see, the whole movements feel very smooth, and it feels as if I'm gliding in the air. And also the quality of the wheels is very nice. They move very smoothly on the floor without any friction, and no squeaky sounds, guys. That is the best part on this chair. Well guys, that was my video on Aerocool's new Crown Aero Suede gaming chair. It's a beautiful gaming chair that offers a premium and luxury feel. Looks quite stylish, good build quality, and offers a great comfortable experience when you sit on it. I didn't face any issues so far, was quite satisfied with the quality. In fact, I can say that it's one of the most comfortable gaming chair I've used till now. It costs around 20 to 21,000 rupees in India, available on Amazon, or you can even get it directly from Bharat Tech. You can inquire them directly about the model or pricing details through their WhatsApp number. I'll leave it on the screen over here. Well, that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.